Most common Dutch words. In this video, we are going to discuss most common Dutch words. Let's start our lesson. Ja means yes. Ja. It's Y-A, ja. And nee, nee. N-A-A, nee means no. Ik means I. Je means you. And if you would like to be polite, then you can say u means you, u. And hi means he, zij means she, and het means it. So these are pronouns. And we have got jullie means you people. Zij means they. And then we have got wij, which means we. Remember that I and J are pronounced as Y. Then we have got heb, which means to have, has, or have. With the ik heb, I have. Je or u hebt or heeft. That is hebt. Hij, zij, and het. He, she, it, heeft. And then with plurals we have jullie, hebben. You people have. It's jullie hebben. Zij, they hebben. Zij hebben. And wij hebben. And then we have got a word ben, or it's zijn. Zijn means to be. I am. Ik ben. You are. Jij bent. Jij is used for a specific you. When you are talking to a specific person, then it's jij. U bent. Hij, zij, het, zijn. He, she, it is. And then we have got jullie, zijn. Zij, zijn. And wij sein. And then uh, we have got sorry. Sorry is used for excuse me, sorry. Or we use the word pardon. P-A-R. R is pronounced with a trill. So it's pardon. Pardon. Sorry. And when you meet someone, you can say in an informal environment, hello, H-A-L-L-O, hello. Or you can say hoi. Or in a formal environment, you can say goede morgen. And after that, you can say hoe gaat het? Hoe, how. Gaat means going. Het. How is it going? Het is it. How goes it? Or it generally means how are you? And the answer to this question is Goedemorgen. Het gaat goed. Het gaat goed. N. N is and. And then you have to ask and met who and with you. Met is with you. And how about you and how is it going with you? Hallo, hoe gaat het? Het gaat goed. Dank u wel. And then we have got thank yous. First of all, it's dank je wel. So it's a one word, dank je wel, but it's an impolite version. Alternatively, you can say dank u wel. Dank u wel. Dank je wel, dank u wel. Or you can say mijn dank. M-E-J-N. Mine. Mine means mine. Dank. My thank you. Or you can simply say bedankt. Bedankt. Dankjewel, dank u wel, mijn dank, bedankt. Then we have got for the word da and het. Da, het. And then for this and that, we use dit, dat. Or we use deze and the. Basically, there's a difference between these words, but right now it's out of the scope of this tutorial, and these are related to da and het words, so we will discuss it some other time. And then we have got questions, question words. First is what. What is what. Then we have got who. Who is how. Then we have got warum, which means why. What, who, warum. And then we have got who, we. Where is that? Who is that? And then we have got one ear, which means when. One ear, when. And then another question word is where, and in Dutch we ask waar. And the last one is which means welk, which. So these are the question words. Then we have got hod, which means good. Slecht, slecht, which means bad. Baby, which means baby. And for a boy we use yon hun, and for a girl, for a little girl, small girl, we do use meisje, meisje. And for a man we say man, man. For a woman we use the word Frau, Frau. Friend. Then we have for friend we use friend. Friend. V is pronounced as fe. Friend. And for boss we use the word baas, baas. And for Mr. we use heer, heer, H-A-A-R, heer. And you can say the heer when you when you are writing, you write the heer. And when you are talking to someone, then you can say maneer. To a male person, maneer, maneer. And for miss we use miss usually. N means and, off means or, and off, and or. And then we can use mefrau. For a woman we can use mefrau, mefrau, Mrs., Miss, which means mefrau. means Mrs., Miss. When you want to be polite, it's Mefrau. And then we have got some words komm, which means come, go, yacha of ha, which means to go, here, which means here, dar, which means there. Will means want. Ik wil coffee. I want coffee. Ik wil een kopje coffee. I want a cup of coffee. Ik wil. And then when you are going, when you want to say goodbye, then you say dag, dag, or doei, dag, doei, or goeden nacht. Goeden nacht means good night. And similarly, you can say goede avond or goedendag. Goedendag is good day or good afternoon. Goedendag, which means good afternoon. When someone say to you feel, feel means much. Feel success. Much success, or it means good luck. So these were some most common Dutch words which you should know when starting learning Dutch. I will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, take care and please visit ifactner.com for exercises related to this tutorial. Dag, doei, goedendag, goeie avond, goeienacht.